In this video, we take a closer look at the Nike Air Max DN Roam, a modern sneaker designed for urban lifestyle and colder weather conditions. We break down the materials, technologies, and construction that make this model suitable for winter wear. Upper and protection. The upper features durable synthetic materials combined with textile elements, helping protect your feet from wind and cooler temperatures while maintaining structure and support. Air Max DN system. The key highlight is the Air Max DN cushioning system, delivering dynamic shock absorption and balanced pressure distribution for comfortable movement on hard winter surfaces. Inner comfort. The inner lining helps create a warm and comfortable environment, making these sneakers suitable for extended wear in cold conditions. Outsole and traction. A durable rubber outsole provides reliable traction and stability on urban surfaces, supporting confident steps during winter. Reinforced areas. Reinforced toe and heel sections improve protection, durability, and overall stability for everyday use. Nike Air Max DN Roam blends innovative cushioning, modern design, and winter-ready comfort for city life. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.